By using these products, I created this poster. Make a new document with these height and width setup as shown. Place the podium at the center and transform it. Select the white areas and fill it by using Content-Aware Fill. Name it. Drop the product at the center and scale it. By using these images, select the Golden Splash by Selection tool. Place it back to the product. Mask the unwanted portions. Group and rename it. Make an exposure to adjust the brightness and contrast. Perfectly balance the brightness and darkness. By using levels, create a shadow on the splash. Add some blurriness to the splash. Sharpen the product. In the new layer, create a drop shadow effect with Brush tool. Give some blur to it. Drop the Pantene logo. Select with Magic Wand tool and mask it. Create a solid black color and clip it with the logo. Place it on the top. Make subtext at the right corner. Using blended, make drop shadow. Follow the same for logo. And here is the result.